Battery delivery.
Oy, amo na ne?
Yes, sir.
Oh my, yun ba? Takot na to, sa may ano?
Ito lang, sir. Sir. Turn delivery, battery from Kinpro.
Oh my God! Hey guys! Good morning! Di nyo ko subong para magpailis ang aton nga batteries ang salakyan. And you know what? I'm really obsessed sa sininga battery. This battery, guys, is called sodium-ion car batteries. This is from Ason. And of course, this is coming from Kenpro. And if you want to purchase this, of course, kadto lang ka mo sa may Kenpro, dra na yun sa My Luxor Place. And guys, in the event na hindi ka mo kakadto sa Kenpro, they provide door-to-door services. Ay, di ba? Di bala? Bongga gidya. Winner gidya. And speaking of winner, 30 months ang warranty sini. 1 to takan. Di ba? It's amazing. Look ho, si Mr. Jonathan Gidya ang nagdulong sa amon diri na yun sa may Caliente Cafe para itakod ang battery. Guys, look at it. Very magaan. Bisan suli-sulion mo ni siya ya ay wala ka gidya ka problema sini. And bisan wala kayo sang muscles, pwede mo na mahakwat ya kay ho. Lantawa bala? Oo, magaan. Guys, I can't help myself. I'm so obsessed sa sining battery. Sodium-ion batteries are rapidly emerging superior alternative to traditional lead acid batteries. They offer 3 to 4 times the energy density, last up to 5 to 10 times longer, and I can fully charge them in minutes. Oh my God, super winner. And while acid is cheaper up front, the ion provides a significantly lighter, eco-friendly, and virtually maintenance-free solution. And you guys, this is only available dra na yun sa my Kenpro, sa my Luxor Place, Bacolod City. What are you waiting for? Go na! Kanto na ka mo dito. Check it out! Bye!